Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a new Gmail account. First of all, if you already have a Gmail account and you just want to create a new account, you basically go to gmail.com and you press the top right corner. Then you will be able to see this and you basically press on add another account. Then you press on create account. Then you will just put in your details. Make sure you put in a secure password so others cannot access it easily. Sometimes you will get you will be required to put in your phone number. Then you basically have to put in your phone number and confirm it by receiving an SMS. I did not get this, but if you do get this, you just put your phone number in and put in the numbers you receive in the SMS. I also recommend putting in a recovery email address in case you forget the password. If you do not have this or your phone number linked, you will be unable to access the account. So if you lose it, you should put this in case you forget it. Otherwise you're just basically screwed if you have anything personal on the account. Then you accept the terms of service. Slowly. And this is it. Now you have done it. If you want to create a new account, you basically go to here, you look up the Gmail, and then you press make account, and then you get to this page immediately instead of having to go to the top right. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope this helped you. Leave a like if it did help you, and subscribing would be also very nice. Thank you for watching.